How's it going, guys? In today's YouTube video, we're going to be going over what it takes to back up your iPhone's data into iCloud. This will also work for iPads and other iOS devices. Let's check to see how it's done. Getting right to it, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your device. Next, let's go ahead and click your name at the top of the screen and click iCloud. And then once you click iCloud, go ahead and scroll down to iCloud Backup. This is the screen where you will enable backups and also force backups to begin. If the backups are not already enabled, go ahead and check the switch on so that they are, and then hit the Backup Now button. Backups are a good recommendation, especially if you're having issues with your iPhone. Software corruption issues are definitely one thing that causes data loss to occur, because the only thing to get an iPhone back up and running if it's locked or frozen at an Apple logo is to typically restore it through iTunes, which will erase all of the data. Rest assured, if you have a backup performed, then you will not be losing any data, as Apple's backups remain very reliable. Rest assured, if you're doing a backup with Apple's backup systems using iCloud or iTunes locally, then rest assured you will not be losing any data. Another note or feature to mention with iCloud backups, they're fully automated, so no managing has to go into your backups, as when you plug it in overnight, it will be performing its backups automatically. If you're using your computer to manage your backups locally or manually, you may want to switch to iCloud, because it is an automated system and you will not lose any data if your phone goes out, say, overnight. In conclusion, we can recommend, again, doing backups on any iPhone or iPad, as you won't lose any of your data. It'll secure it. And especially so using iCloud system, as it is an automated system to where you don't even have to manage it. If you like what you saw in today's video, please drop us a like and also leave us a comment letting us know how we did. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel of the Apple Exchange, hitting that notification bell so you get notifications when we post new content and videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.